For question 4, for which element in each of the following pairs has the highest first ionisation energy, explaining the answer. I think it's worth having a little look at the electron structure. So for sodium and magnesium, if we start with the electron structure of neon and take that as a base rather than drawing the whole thing out. So sodium has 11 electrons and magnesium has 12. So it's got like neon and then it's got 3s subshell next, and sodium just has 1 electron in that. That is sodium. Magnesium, similar. Take the electron structure of neon, and then in the 3s it's got 2 electrons. So which one has the higher ionisation energy is the question. So magnesium here, that's got a nuclear charge of 12 plus because it's got 12 protons. Sodium's got a nuclear charge of 11 plus. So because magnesium has more protons, it's actually got a slightly smaller atomic radius because of that extra proton providing a higher nuclear charge, so it sort of pulls that outer shell in a little bit further. And because of that, it's harder to remove the electron from the orbital here. So magnesium has a higher first ionisation energy than sodium. However, with phosphorus and sulfur, I think again it helps just to draw out the electron configuration. So starting with neon again, phosphorus has 15 electrons. So we've got, sorry, let me just draw it like I did before. We've got the 3s and then we've got the 3p. So we've got 2 electrons in the 3s. That sort of takes us, neon's got 10, takes us to 12. And then in the 3p, there are 3 atomic orbitals in a p subshell. They are spread out like that. So that's 15, so 5 here and 10 from here, electrons. And sulfur just has 1 more, so it's got 2 in the 3s, and then it's got 4 in the 3p. And that, like this, they fill up singly, remember first, and then they will double up like that. So here, in sulfur, you would lose this electron that's doubled up. And because of the repulsion here, it's actually easier to lose electron from sulfur than it is from phosphorus, because phosphorus has its electrons in the p orbital quite stably, singularly filled like that, so there's less repulsion than there is with the sulfur, and because of that, it's actually harder to remove an electron from phosphorus than from sulfur, and so phosphorus has a higher first ionisation energy than sulfur.